Are you a small business owner struggling to get your brand noticed in a crowded market? You don't need a huge budget to make a big impact. Welcome to the world of affordable full-service marketing. With affordable full-service marketing, you can get everything you need under one roof. From SEO to help you get found online, to social media to engage with your audience, and email marketing to nurture relationships. Plus, a user-friendly website that converts visitors into customers. All tailored to your budget, so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. MarketinGear specializes in helping small businesses grow with cost-effective expert marketing strategies. Our team of experts will work closely with you to understand your unique needs and goals. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today